Welcome to Dorman Products installation video for the turbocharger for General Motors vehicles equipped with a 1.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine. This installation is considered medium and may take several hours to perform. The turbocharger on this engine often fails from poor lubrication. We recommend replacing the oil feed line, part number 625-829, as well as the coolant return line, part number 625-831, at the same time to ensure proper lubrication and cooling to the new turbocharger. Before starting this procedure, make sure the engine is cool enough to touch with a bare hand to avoid burns. Start by removing the intake hose. Remove the vacuum line running to the turbocharger. Then disconnect the electrical connector at the turbo. Loosen the charge pipe or pressure hose from the turbocharger and move it aside. Remove the original oil feed line from the turbocharger. Then remove the clamp securing the turbo outlet pipe to the turbo. From under the vehicle, remove the splash shields to access the coolant bleeder. Locate the drain valve on the radiator, then slip a section of rubber hose over the nipple to control the coolant as it drains. Turn the drain valve and allow the cooling system to drain completely. Loosen the downpipe support bracket so the exhaust system can move freely for access. Remove the clip securing the oil return line to the engine block. Remove the bolt securing the coolant line to the turbo. Then loosen the clamp securing the other end of the hose to the coolant flange. Remove the upper and lower exhaust manifold bolts. Then remove the bolt securing the upper coolant line. Slide the manifold off the studs, rocking it slightly to release the oil return line from its flange. If you are reusing the oil return line, remove it from the original turbo unit and transfer it to the new turbo, making sure to replace the seal with a new one. Install the new or existing oil return line onto the new turbo, starting the bolts by hand to prevent cross-threading them. Torque the oil line bolts according to factory specifications, in this case 71 inch-pounds. Before installing the new turbocharger unit, remove the old exhaust flange gasket from the downpipe and install the new seal included with the kit. Remove the original exhaust manifold studs from the cylinder head. Position the new turbocharger assembly in place, making sure the oil drain drops into the oil port. Reconnect the coolant and oil lines, bolt the turbocharger to the cylinder head, and reconnect the turbo outlet to the exhaust downpipe. Reassemble the rest of the components in the reverse order of disassembly, making sure to fully refill and bleed the cooling system. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have any questions or concerns during installation, the Dorman Technical Support Team is standing by to help.